province of the Philippines in the country's Central Visayas region. It comprises Bohol Island and numerous smaller surrounding islands. Bohol is known for coral reefs and unusual geological formations, notably the Chocolate Hills. On the main island, near the town of Carmen, these 1,200 symmetrical mounds turn cocoa brown in the dry season, contrasting with surrounding jungles, greenery. Visitors need to climb around 200 plus steps to reach the viewing deck, which is mounted on two actual chocolate hills, offering a 360-degree view of the magnificent hill formation. Bohol is famous for its chocolate hills, the tarsiers, which may be the world's smallest primate, its heritage sites, and old stone churches. Tarsiers have one baby per year and numbers were precariously low, which the Philippine government gave them a protected status. The tarsiers population has reached upward somewhat, but it remains endangered. Visitors are allowed to take photos or pictures except using flash. The tarsiers aren't allowed to be touched.